Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Today I will present in front of you both the vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian version of French toast. As we all know that French toast is nothing without egg, but why should non-vegetarians have all the fun? So today I have brought this vegetarian version of French toast which you can enjoy in your breakfast as well as snacks in evening. Kids and adults both will enjoy this French toast equally. Without much ado, let us start on with our recipe. Here I have taken 250 ml of cow milk, plant-based milk like coconut milk, soybean milk or nut-based like almond milk, cashew nut milk. Anything can be used for this recipe. Try to use a flat-bottomed bowl to mix all the ingredients. To this I am adding 15 gram of custard powder. This is of vanilla flavor. The custard powder acts as a replacement of conventional recipe with egg. Little bit of sugar is added to enhance the sweetness of the toast. The sugar will gradually melt as we keep on stirring the milk. Addition of a pinch of baking powder will make it fluffy. Along with this, I added cinnamon powder which will lend a very nice flavor. Keep stirring the ingredients so that everything gets mixed well. Now time for some vanilla essence. After giving the milk a final stir, it is now time to dip the bread in it. Dip and pick it up soon or else it will become soggy. In the pan, I have heated some butter and vegetable oil. Butter will lend a nice flavor to it, whereas the vegetable oil will increase the smoking point. We will fry the bread on both sides for 2-3 minutes in low flame. This will ensure that it doesn't get burned as well as it lends a beautiful brown texture to the bread. Keep pressing it gently so that it gets fried well. When the other side of the bread also gets fried well, we will pick it up and place it on a serving plate. Let's plate the French toast now along with some fruits. This will serve as a very filling and tasty breakfast option. I will serve some bananas and black grapes along with this French toast. You can consume any other variety of fruits as you desire. I hope this vegetarian version of classic French toast has been enjoyed by you all. It is time for us to move on to the second part of the video, which will be the masala egg French toast. This will be slightly different to the conventional one as I will be adding few more spices to make it more delicious and appetizing. The milk mixture which I had already, in that I will add 2 eggs. You all can start the recipe from scratch, that is from milk at first and then put all the ingredients, but I will be using the same batter as it will give a sweet as well as spicy taste to the French toasts. Adding some chopped onions, some chopped chilies for spiciness. The chili flakes will add some extra edge to the heat of the French toast. I will add some ginger and garlic powder in the French toast. You can use them raw also, but this powder will lend a very good taste to the French toast. A pinch of turmeric will give a nice yellow color to the toasts. Add salt. We'll add some chopped coriander leaves. Parsley leaves can also be used. If you want, you can add some other vegetables like tomato, capsicum, whatever you wish to. Now we will dip the bread in the egg batter and fry it till it's golden brown in color. Flip the toast when one side is fried well. We have now finished preparing the masala French toast variety. We'll sprinkle some red chili flakes as a garnishing. Hope you all liked both the versions of the French toast, the vegetarian as well as the one with the egg. Do let me know which one you are going to try first. Also, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.